So much pressure before and after the examination, tough competitions, would you be able to qualify or not? How to overcome all these difficult conditions. So, understanding the logic behind exam anxiety and overcoming that makes it a very important decision before you appear for the examination. Simply because if you are able to overcome your anxiety, possibly you could do few questions more correct than you would in an anxious situation. So, one thing to understand is the exam conditions overall create a pressure. This could be a known, unknown, hidden pressure that you might never be acquainted about, but thus it happens. So there are certain coping mechanisms that you must adopt. One simple way is relaxation techniques through deep breathing. Sometimes visualization also helps to reduce your stress effect and a positive self-talk. We have already covered classes on all these three in a separate section, so if you want to go into the details of those, you can visit that. Now, how can you actually have a consistent preparation to avoid the last minute anxiety? So, your preparation strategy should be well planned, well defined, and whatever you go for, stick to it. Even if you are enrolled with a coaching program, tutoring program, make sure that you have your own plan in mind which focuses on your own weaknesses and steps to improve those. Also, one day before your examination, proper sleep is important, proper rest to the mind is important, and that would help you actually perform better than the other condition where you are fully stressed out and possibly you have a small nap during your examination, or you are not able to focus and concentrate. Despite of knowing the answers, you are not able to select the right answer. Another important thing during the examination is the mindset. So, focus on the correct approach. Whatever challenges there are, consider those challenges as opportunities for growth, and only then you would be able to come in a positive mindset during your examination. Also, after your examination, avoid the habit of discussing the paper, going through the cutoffs, what is the expected score, how much you would score, rather than simply focus on your next goal. It could be appearing for the same exam again, it could be moving ahead and appearing for something else ahead in life, but whatever it is, forget what has happened. The exam that is given is gone. Now, when the result would come, just check it and that's it. If you dive more into the intricacies of the examination, this question should have been done this way, oh, this is a silly mistake, then you are doing nothing but wasting your time at that point, going under further stress, and possibly if you have upcoming series of examination, that could impact the next examinations that are coming in. So that was just a simple suggestion. Wish you all the best. Exams are coming right away, so those are a series of examination including boards and competitive examinations. So prepare well, be confident about yourself, and yes, do practice mock papers or past papers. That would give you an idea about how to actually face the real examination. Thanks for joining in. Do subscribe. Have a wonderful day.